And before we display the reviews, so let's check if we have products that doesn't have reviews. So as you can see here, we have 0, so we don't need to show here 0 reviews, as you can see here. So we will only display this component if we have or if the product has reviews. So let's add p tag here and add vif, and only if we have the data.products.reviews.length. So in this case, we will display the reviews components or the star rating components. So let's save and check. So now it's not showing, so let's refresh the page. Sometimes the hot loading when filming, it takes a long time, so nothing changed. So which means so this product doesn't have reviews. Why? So as you can see here, we don't have reviews. Why it's showing? So we have the data.products .reviews.length, which is the correct test. Let's change and check for another one. Let's check for this one, and it's appearing here. Okay, so let's find a solution for this problem. So let's change it to, so if data.products.reviews.length is greater than 0. So let's save. Let's go back. So now, as you can see, it's disappeared. So let's try again. So this product has reviews. As you can see, we have their average, which is 3. And if we look into this product, so here we don't have the reviews because, or we don't have the rating components because we don't have reviews. Okay, so let's now display the reviews. So let's try to add a review here. Good products. I love this product, and give it 5 stars. Submit. And as you can see, now we have 5 ratings. Let's add another one. Good product. Let's give it only 4. Submit. And as you can see, now we have 4. So let's now display the reviews. So let's add another component inside the reviews here and call it review. So it's not a folder, it's file. So it's reviews. So let's call it reviews list. And later we will come back to this component and add code. So for now, just add structure and keep it as it is. So for now, it's set up, and add here a div reviews list. And we will come back again to this component. So let's go back here, and we need to use this component that we have created. So we need to add it after the, so let's add it. So here we have add review. So here we have the rating. So let's add it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add it here. So after or before the discard that has the add review. So let's add div, and div inside div we will call the component. So let's call it review list, this one. And don't forget to import it here. So it's here, review list. And it's here, we have it. And this review list needs to have the reviews of the products. And the reviews, we will send them as prop. and we can get them using the data.product.reviews. And now we have the reviews, but we need the same thing as we have done here. We need to display the reviews only when we have a reviews length greater than 0, which means that we have reviews. So now we have sent the reviews to our reviews list. Here we will get the prop, and once we get the prop, we need to loop through each review and display them. So let's define the prop as we have done before. So props, define props, and inside we will get reviews, which is an array, and array is required. So now we have array of reviews. So all we need to do now is to loop through each review and display them. So let's do that now. We have div, let's give it a class. Class is card and margin bottom of 2. And inside we will have card header, and card header has bg whites. And here we have h5 with the text center. Let's give it also margin top of 2. So text center, margin top of 2, and inside we have reviews. So let's save and take a look. As you can see here, reviews, and we need to display how many reviews we have. And to do that, we can use the props dot reviews dot length. Let's save and see. So as you can see, we have 2 reviews. So we can remove the space from here and here. Save. Now we have 2 reviews, and if you check, we have 2 reviews here, 1 and 2 for this product. So let's now display the reviews. So the card header, let's add card body, and inside card body we will have list, and lists has class margin top bottom and list group, and inside we have li, which will have a class list group item with justify content to center and align items to start. And inside we need, or before we display the content, we need to loop through each review. So we used v4, and we loop through each review that we have inside props.reviews. Reviews. Now we need also to provide k, and k will be the review dot id. What else? We have added the class. So for now, let's display the content. We need a div. Let's give it a class ms2 and me auto, ms2 and me auto. And inside this class we will have another div with font weight bold, and here we display the review title, review.title. So let's save and take a look. So now as you can see, we have good product and good. We have 2 titles. Next we need to display the body. So let's add here a p tag and display the review dot body. So let's save and take a look. As you can see, now we have the body. Next we need to display the So let's use the same. So we will use the same class as we have before. So let's add here a card text. And inside it, we will use a small tag with text body secondary. And here we will use by, and we display the user. We display the user who added the review, the username. Let's display the username and see what we have here. So nothing appears. Let's check what is wrong. So here, so we are not loading the user. So let's go back to the review model. So here we need to call the, so not here, not inside so not inside here, but inside the product. So let's go to the product. So not inside the products dot view, but the products dot php. So here we need also to get the user. So with the user, so we will get all the reviews with the user. So let's refresh the page and look inside the network tab. So as you can see here, we have the user. And if you move to network tab, so you have here the users are loading or are added to the reviews. So here inside products.php, and here inside the relationship, we add with user. So now we have the user. Where is the review list? So here we have the user. Next, we need to add the time. And the time, let's add only a dash here and add here created at. Let's save and take a look. And as you can see, the time is not, why the time is not formatted. So let's go back to the review. So I have already added this one, which is so here created at. So I am using the relationship here. That's why it's not showing. Let's go back here. So not the review.users dot created at, but the review dot created at. And as you can see, we have 8 minutes. We can add here span. So let's add a span with text. Let's give it text danger and see what we will get. So now I think it's better. So what else we need? We need to display the rating as we have done here. So let's bring the star rating and use it here. So let's move down and import it here. And we need to use it like we have done here. So let's move to the top. So where is it? This one. So here we don't need to check because we are inside the reviews. So we don't need to check if we have reviews or not. We only need to display the rating. And the rating, so we will not use the review IVG, but we will use the review.rating, which is saved rating here. If we go back, so we have the rating, which is, where is the rating, which is 4. So let's take a look and see what we have here. As you can see, we have 5 and we have 4 here, and we don't need to display it 4 and 5. Let's show rating. Let's give it false. Let's take a look and see. So I think it's better. So here we display the rating, but here we don't need. We display only the stars. So let's see what's left. So I think we need now to add the buttons. The buttons that will be so we will have here a menu in the left that will have 2 buttons, the buttons for updating and deleting reviews. But before we move to that, let's add another review and check if everything is working or not. So let's add, so here we don't have bad products, we have only good products. Let's add bad products. Bad products. Awful. And choose only one and save. So review has been added successfully, and as you can see, we have here bad products, 0 seconds, and here we have 3, but we need to display the latest first. Let's do that inside the review here. So we have the relationship not here, but inside the products. So let's look for the products.php, and here add latest. And let's refresh and see what we will get now. And as you can see, the latest is first. So let's add another one to check. Not bad products, and give it 3. Submit. Go to the top, and as you can see, not bad, and first one, and it's the first one appearing. And here we have 4 reviews, and here we have the average. So let's move now to updating and deleting reviews.